What is love in Korean? The Korean term for love is sarang. Again, it's sarang. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is sa, the second syllable is rang. Pronounce it with me. Sarang. Sarang. How is sarang written in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable sa, we need to draw first a siyat character followed by an a character. For the second syllable rang, we need to draw first a real character followed by an a character followed by an iyang character. Then we just have to combine the two syllables to form the Hangul of sarang. And with that, you already know what is love in Korean. Thank you so much for being here. Please like and subscribe for more videos. What is book in Korean? The Korean term for book is 책. Again, it's 책. This is pronounced with just one syllable, which is 책 itself. Again, remember, the Korean term for book is 책. How do you write 책 in Hangul? First, we need to draw a tiyat character or the ch character in Korean, followed by the e character, followed by the giat or the k character in Korean. And then we just have to combine these characters to form the Hangul of the word 책. And with that, you already know what is book in Korean. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. What is money in Korean? The Korean term for money is 돈. Again, it's 돈. This is pronounced with just one syllable, which is 돈 itself. Again, remember, the Korean term for money is 돈. How do we write 돈 in Hangul? First, we need to draw a dikat character or the D character, followed by the O character, followed by the nian or the N character in Korean. And then we just have to combine these characters to form the Hangul of the word 돈. So, 돈 is the Korean term for money. And now, you already know what is money in Korean. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. What is bag in Korean? The Korean term for bag is Tabang. Again, it's Tabang. This is pronounced with two syllables. The first syllable is ga, the second syllable is bang. Pronounce it with me. Tabang. Tabang. How do we write tabang in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable, ga. First, we need to draw a giok or the j character, followed by the a character. Then, for the second syllable, bang, we need to draw first a biop or the p or p character in Korean, followed by the a character, followed by the iyang character. Then, we just need to combine to form the Hangul of gabang. And now, you already know what is bag in Korean. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. What is voice in Korean? The Korean term for voice is 목소리. Again, 목소리. This is pronounced as three-syllable word. The first syllable is mok, second syllable is so, and the third syllable is ri. Pronounce it with me. 목소리. How do we write this in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable, mok. First, we need to draw a miyam character, followed by the o character, followed by the giat character. For the second syllable, so, we need to draw a siyat character and an o character. For the last syllable, ri, we need to draw first a real character, followed by the e character. Then, combine to form the Hangul of 목소리. And now, you already know what is voice in Korean. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. What is typhoon in Korean? The Korean term for typhoon is Taepong. Again, it's Taepong. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is Tae, the second syllable is Pong. Pronounce it with me. Taepong. Taepong. How do we write this in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable, Tae. First, we need to draw a T character followed by the E character. And then for the second syllable, Pong, we need to draw first a P or the P character followed by an U character followed by the Ing or the NG character in Korean. And then we just have to combine to form the Hangul of Taepong. And now you already know what is typhoon in Korean. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. What is tired in Korean? If you want to say I'm tired, you can say 피곤해. Again, 피곤해. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is pi, second syllable is kon, and the third syllable is he. Pronounce it with me. 피곤해. 피곤해. How do we write this in Hangul? First, we need to draw a P character followed by the E character. That's it for the first syllable. For the second syllable, gon, we need to draw a Gia character followed by an O character followed by a Nian character. For the last syllable, he, we need to draw a Hia character followed by an E character. And then we need to combine. Now, you already know what is tired in Korean. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. What is coffee in Korean? The Korean term for coffee is kopi. Again, it's kopi. It actually sounds like coffee itself. And this is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is ko, and the second syllable is pi. Pronounce it with me. Kopi. How do we write this in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. First, we need to draw a kiuk or the K character in Korean, followed by the O character. For the second syllable P, we need to draw first a P or the P character in Korean, followed by an E character. And then we just have to combine this to form the Hangul of the word copy. Now, you already know what is coffee in Korean. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. What is rice in Korean? The Korean term specifically of cooked rice used in a meal is pap. Again, it's pap. This is pronounced as one syllable word. This is composed of just pap itself. Pronounce it with me. How do we write this in Hangul? First, we need to draw a B character, followed by an A character, followed by another B character. Just an additional information, although pap is used to say cooked rice in Korea, this is also used to say or call meal in Korea. And now, you already know what is rice in Korean. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. What is movie in Korean? The Korean term for movie is 영화. Again, it's 영화. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is 영, and the second syllable is 화. Pronounce it with me. 영화. 영화. How do we write this in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable, yang. First, we need to draw a no-sound ing character, followed by the ya character, followed by an ing character. The second syllable, wa, we need to draw first a hiu character, followed by the o character, followed by an a character. And then we just have to combine this to form the Hangul of 영화. Now, you already know what is movie in Korean. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.